Hello friends, here on this video, if you want to use this back buttons example, like here I'm using the back buttons. Okay, if you want to use the back buttons but you are not finding your back buttons, you have to slide or up and down and slide from the left and right. So how you can use back button on your phone? Then friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. After you move on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down. If you don't know, then you can even search your navigation buttons. Okay, or you can just scroll on the down onto system and updates. Okay, after you tap on system and updates, from here you are going to find many options, but here's the system navigation. So you can click on here under the second icon, system navigation. After you click on it, the first icon is the gestures and the second icon is the button navigation, 3-key navigation. 3-key means this is the 3-key navigation. You can say button navigation also. So here when I tap on the first gestures, and accessibility menu will not be available when gesture enable, show to enable. So if you enable this one, then my accessibility menu will not be available. That's why I'm not activating it. I just want to show you, but I'm not activating it. But if you want to use these buttons, then friends, please select this first icon. Then after you select this first icon, you can even change the buttons also if you want to change the buttons. Okay, 3-key navigation, under it you can even change the back button will be on the left side. Here's the right side, here left side, here right side, but here on the middle is the up and down side. Okay, so which one you want to select, you can select from the icons also if you want to select it. Okay friends, so this is how you can activate your button navigation on your phone. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.